Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the watch battery on your Omega Swatch watch. This is going to be the Snoopy version, so the Moonswatch with Snoopy. Now this particular model is going to have the exact same watch battery type as all Moonswatch watch releases, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all the tools that I used throughout this video, as well as to the watch battery, which is going to be the AG9 watch battery type. So as you can see, I have the watch on the original strap, as you can see right here, but I normally wear it on the rubber strap. In case you have it on the rubber strap, what you will need to do is to first remove the watch strap, because this is going to have a small angle and you need to remove just one end of the watch strap so that you have better access to the watch battery lid. So in case you have the rubber watch strap, it is going to be at an angle, and that is why we need to remove one part of the strap. In this case, as you can see right here, if I turn the watch around, this is going to be the bioceramic or plastic, let's say, lid that we need to remove. And what I am going to use is going to be a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver that I can insert right here, so underneath the lid, in order to push it upwards and then to have access to the watch battery. Then in order to remove the watch battery, I'm going to use a metallic pair of tweezers, and then in order to maneuver the watch battery, in my case it is going to be the same watch battery type, I'm going to use a carbon pair of tweezers. In case you want to purchase the full basic watchmaker toolkit, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, and you are going to have most of these tools. Now, something really important when it comes to removing the lid on these Moonswatch watches is going to be your screwdriver. So you need to have a very good, so high quality flat screwdriver that, as you can see, is very thin, so that you do not damage the lid, because this is going to be very sensible. And what I want to do is to go at an angle, as you can see right here, go underneath the lid, and then I'm going to push it upwards. The first time that I did this, I actually damaged a little the cap, and that is why in order to avoid damaging the lid, I would definitely recommend to invest or to search for a very good flat screwdriver. I'm also going to try to leave a link to this one in the description box below. Now the next step is going to be to remove the old watch battery. As you can see, this is going to be the 394 Renata watch battery, so AG9. I'm going to leave a link to that as well. And what I want to do is to insert one tip of the pair of tweezers right here in order to lift the watch battery up, and then it is going to easily fall out. As you can see, this is the place where we have the watch battery, and what you want to do is to go and order, as I mentioned, the 394 watch battery. I would definitely recommend to go with Renata, as they make very good watch batteries. As you can see, I have a bunch of them right here. And in my case, I'm going to use the same one because this is actually the original watch battery. So now what I want to do is to take the new watch battery and maneuver it with a non-metallic pair of tweezers, so the carbon version in my case. And as you can see, I'm going to insert it at an angle because I want to apply some pressure from the side on this part right here where we have this metallic part. And then I can either use the handle in order to push it in, or with your own finger, but I would definitely recommend to use the carbon pair of tweezers so that the energy inside the battery is going to remain full. And then we are going to make sure that our watch is ticking. As you can see right here, it is ticking. And now we are going to put back the watch battery lid. So I'm going to take it up. In case you want to have it as it was initially, you can look online on the exact same position that the watch comes with it. And in case you don't care, you can simply push the lid. You are going to hear that click, and voila, you have changed the watch battery. And now everything is good to go. You only need to set the time and the Snoopy, and I have a full guide on how to do that, link in the description box below. Now, for those of you that have installed the rubber watch strap, I also have a full guide on how to do that as well. you will need to remove this end of the strap in order to make sure that you have enough access, because your rubber strap is going to be at this angle and you won't be able to have access with your flat screwdriver. So for this, I'm either going to use the spring bar removal tool that you can find inside the basic watchmaker toolkit, because we have this end with 2 teeth and we can grab the tip of the spring bar in order to remove it. Or something really cool, if you order a Moonswatch strap from Swatch, you will actually also receive this tool that for these Moonswatches is going to be very useful, as it is very thin at this end and can easily get in between the strap and the lugs. Now, something that you want to be very careful with when it comes to these Moonswatches is that they scratch very easily. So every time you want to replace the watch strap, interchange them, replace the watch battery, make sure to always work on the back of the watch. Because if I were to attempt to remove the strap and use my tool from the front, there is a big chance that I can actually scratch the lugs and you will see them every time. So that is why I'm going to turn the watch around, and now I'm going to insert the tool right here, grab the tip of the spring bar, and now I have removed this part of the strap. So now I have very easy access to the watch battery, as you can see right here, and I will be able to replace it. I'm also going to show you how the rubber strap looks. As you can see, it has the integrated lugs. So as you can see, it has quite an angle right here, and that is why it is going to, let's say, make it harder for you to replace the watch battery. But as you can see on the front, it is going to look amazing. So I would definitely recommend to upgrade to this strap in case you haven't done so, and also make sure to watch the full tutorial on how to replace it. Then, in order to put it back in, make sure to also work on the back. We are going to first insert one tip of the spring bar right there, and now I'm going to use the tool again in order to push this pin right here, so the tip inside and underneath. Let's do that again. So inside and underneath, you are going to hear that click, that snap. Make sure to see whether your strap is fully intact and in place, and then you are good to go. You have successfully replaced the watch battery on your Moonswatch. So this tutorial is going to work for all Moonswatch releases, as they work with the same watch battery type. As you can see right here, I also have the Mission to Moon, and as I mentioned, they both have the same watch battery type, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all the tools, to all the extra tools, the watch battery, and also the strap and the guides in case you need to set the moon phase, and also in case you need to learn how to use all the functions on your Moonswatch. So in case you found this video useful, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Leave a comment, let me know if you found it useful. If you have any questions, I would love to hear you out and do my best to help you as well, so to answer all of your questions. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.